Milwaukee holiday deals, guys. They are here, at least at this store. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way to press the platform by subscribes and likes. Yes, we're shopping at Home Depot. Yes, they are here at this store. They might not be at your store, so just keep that in mind. If you show up to your Home Depot and you do not see these deals, just keep that in mind that these deals will show up at your store. It's just a matter of time. It's just one store in the whole Phoenix area. One store only has these deals, and that is this store. We are here to give you guys the best deals. I will post more videos of different brands, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I got so much content I have to post. That's why I'm dividing by brands. So we're doing the Milwaukee today. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, we got the gloves here. These are the deals that we've seen at the other stores. This is on the wrong section here. It seems like they put everything on this. They crammed everything here on this section, the older stuff. Those lights are going on clearance. I did not check if those were clearance there. 3.5 round head framing nailer. That is a framing nailer there. If you guys haven't seen that before, that is the Milwaukee rocket light. That is supposed to be on clearance on some of the stores. I don't know if they're gonna have that on clearance on this store. I did not check, or there was just so much stuff that I didn't even have time for that. So they got these for $14.97. These are the holiday deals, 2021 holiday deals. It's pretty much the same as last year. I really like. They did sell out really quick. So as soon as you guys see them, make sure you guys pick them up. They do sell out quick. Trust me. Like those are fast bags. These are really nice to use. I do own a few. I even own those squares, T-squares. Those squares are really nice. These I do not care about. They seem to be okay, but I haven't heard great things about these. A lot of people just go to Fat Max and just buy those. But yeah, those squares and those fastbacks are really nice. That's the way it looks on one of the deals that they got there for the Milwaukee. And if you guys see the back, obviously I'm gonna have more videos from the DeWalt and Ryobi and Makita, all those brands, guys. $99. These are your choice. Pretty much you got the drill driver, half-inch drill driver kit. You got the 1/4-inch hex impact driver, or you got the 2-3 amp hour batteries for $99. You got the hacksaw reciprocating saw kit for $159. You got the oscillating tool, multi-tool fuel. That is the fuel, the new one. $179. That is the kit. And then to the right, you got $199 for the installation driver. That is the kit. And then you got the fuel 3/8 high-speed ratchet kit. That is the high-speed. That is one of the newer ones that they got. So that is the difference between that and the older ones, the older fuel. These are 23-piece titanium shockwave impact duty metal. These are really good. I do have these. These things will take a beating. Let me tell you, I do use them with metal. I use the heck out of these, and they're still rolling. They're still rolling. They're still cutting the metal. All right, so they got the 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries. Those are M12 12 amp hour batteries. You got the oscillating toolkit there at the bottom. That's the fuel. All right, you got the 72-piece, $130. Not really the $130 value, but you got the impact bits there. That's a 1-piece or 1-inch bits. You got some star bits there, some more star bits. You got some flat there, and then you got some looks like some TikTok bits there. A lot of little bits. Some hex. So a bunch of different stuff on that little kit. Pretty nice. Alright, so that's the impact driver. That's the M12 impact driver 2553-21. And that's the drill there. That's the installation driver kit. Those are all kits, by the way. If I don't say kit, then those are all kits. That's the ratchet. That's the high speed ratchets. Those are the new ones. Remember, guys? They just barely came out a few months ago. But yeah, they're having all these deals pretty good. And now we're starting to see a pattern. Why are these some of these already overlapping and getting all these, like Joe the Tool Guy? Don't forget to check out his channel. He's been putting a lot of deals, crazy deals, and they've been overlapping with these prices. So that's how we know they're dropping the price. So you got a 120-piece impact drill bit set. That's a nice TikTok, big TikTok case there. Got some 1-inch Phillips. You got some squares Robertsons. Some more Phillips. You got some squares, some star Torx bits. Some 2-inch Phillips. Alright, you got some more star bits here at the bottom. Some bigger star bits at the right there at the middle. Got some flats there. You got some hex bits, more hex bits, bigger hex bits. Alright, you got some metal drill bits there and the magnetic sleeve. $99 for this 56-bit 3-inch 3/8 drive ratchet socket set. This is the Milwaukee case here for the mechanics. If you do occasional oil change or brake jobs, this is a great little tool for you guys. 56 piece kits includes the 3/8 ratchet, the 27 piece sockets, the longer sockets. It says more right there. 25 piece for the deep well. Actually, the 27 is the deep wells, the 25 is the regular sockets, the shallow sockets. And it says 4 flat sides there, so you can use a wrench on those and get some more leverage. $24.88 for the 2-pack of wet and dry HEPA filters. $129 for the vacuum. Guys, last year I believe we had this for like $19. So that's a heck of a deal right there for those two. If you guys own that vacuum, make sure you guys pick yourself one of those if you guys have. $59 for the heavy duty pullover hoodie. They do come in 2 different colors, so you guys see there. I did not see the black. I did see one black at the bottom. I saw mostly gray. On this section, I believe there's going to be another section. I mean, guys, I could not fit everything, all the deals in one video, so I'm going to have another video of shopping at Home Depot, holiday deals. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I will have some more Milwaukee on that video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I believe I'm releasing that on Saturday, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Guys, this is a really good deal for for somebody, for the homeowner, even a professional that doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money on that kit. It's a really good deal. You got another 15-piece titanium drill bit set, red helix. Like I said, these things are solid. The drill, they'll keep going until you break them, basically. And then you got this. This is the older brushed set, but still, this is a really complete kit. It does come with the drill driver, impact driver. You got a one-handed reciprocating saw. You got a ratchet. You got 2 batteries there. You got a light, work light, a charger in a bag. So it's a very complete kit. Definitely recommend these, especially if you're a DIY. If you don't want to spend so much money, M12 is gonna get the job done. You know, like I said, even if you're a professional, you want some tools for the house. $199 is gonna get you a complete kit there. $7.97 for the anti-scratch lens. I do own the little better version of those glasses. They cost around $20. I do like them a lot. I haven't used these before, but the little better ones, I believe they're performance glasses. They're really good. $19.97. You got a 10 and 10 plus 10 plus 10 saw blade set for $19. You got $99. Your choice here. Your reciprocating saw M18, circ saw, or the light. These are, remember guys, these are not fuel. These are not brushless, but they are still great solid tools. Like I said, for the house, for the profession. For the professional that use them lightly used, not heavy duty used. You got the angle grinder there, M18 one-handed reciprocating saw, and then you got the light. So that is the rubber mounting floodlight, 18 volt, $79. Your choice of any of these 3. And then 99 these. If you guys want them, it's a pretty good deal. This is a really heavy duty. This is pretty heavy. I really like it's large. It's easy. It looks like it's easy to put in the rafters. It does have a clamp, and you can twist it side to side. You got 1,500 lumen of true view, according to Milwaukee. That's what they're rating their lights, and that is the battery compartment on the back. So you got a positive and negative. You got a button there on the top. All right, those are the 10 free, the 10 and plus 10 free. Blades. You do get some 9-inch blades, so you guys see there, and some smaller ones. That is the radius light, Milwaukee radius light, 2,200 lumen. You do get that high definition true view light. Seems like on that one you just set it in the center of the room and you pretty much get light all over the place. That's what they're advertising. You got the reciprocating saw there, and then the one-handed reciprocating saw. Those are M18. Remember, guys, those are not fuel, but they're still pretty good for the price. So definitely check them out. You got the angle grinder there. Like I said, that is not the fuel angle grinder. But definitely check it out. You got the circ saw. Same thing. It's just the M18 circ saw. Alright, guys. We got the battery there. This is a 12 amp hour battery for $199. Last year, I did believe we saw this on the deals, the buy one get one free deals. This year, we're just gonna see that price. Prices did go up, so maybe that's why. Got the 5-tool combo kit, $299. That's a pretty good combo kit. It's M18, same, just about same as the other one, but these are bigger tools. I would say these are solid tools. Like I said, for the house, even for the professional light duty use, solid tools. Definitely check it out. They are Milwaukee. If you want to get into the platform, not waste so much, and just pretty much get everything in once, that's a pretty good deal there. Circ saw, 100 reciprocating saw. You got a light there. You got a charger, big battery, not a big battery. You got a 3 amp hour battery, and you got a 1.5, and then you get a bag there for that kit. So not necessarily a lot on battery you're getting. I would say it's an okay deal. Looking at those batteries, I wish they would have just put a 5 in there. You got $79 for this Bulldozer kit. This is the multi-material. It says new tooth design, optimum case. Most durable 11-piece bimetal hole saw kit. It tells you the sizes right there if you guys want to pause and rewind it. Got $24.97, 13-piece saw blade set plus 2 carbide teeth. Guys, this is a really good deal, especially for those 2 blades. They're pretty expensive, the Axe and the Wrecker. Those are really nice blades. The other ones, I would say they're mostly homeowner light duty use. I did use some on some demolition. I don't know if you guys saw my video with some reciprocating saw that I just did. I did some demolition on that, and they weren't quite as well as I thought they were going to be. But the Wrecker and the Axe, I will think that's still have to make a video review on those. Got the ratchet for not $159. That's pretty much on the wrong section there. But that is the high-speed ratchet, I believe. So this kits include the ratchet. And then that's the hacksaw kit. Guys, remember we saw that hack for the $159. Well, maybe it's overlapping with the Christmas deals for $159 with the hacksaw. So the hacksaw is supposed to be there. And then you got the fuel lithium ion brushless, which I don't know what tool is supposed to be in there. It's $199. $14.88. You got the 4-pair cut level 1. $19.97 for the leather performance gloves. So these are pretty nice looking, especially with the winter just around the corner. It's already here basically. Today was really cold here. I was surprised. I gotta get myself a pair. Yeah, these are durable palm lightweight design. This is leather performance gloves. These are large. They do have a nice breathable lightweight back. So, and they do have like a Velcro there so you can secure them to your hands. Those are pretty nice. These, I don't care really about these. You can buy some off brands. Guys, these are the deals. These are the buy one get one free deals. These are what we're waiting for pretty much. All these deals. Remember guys, I'm going to have other brands too, not just this brand. So make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel. Subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell icon. Alright, so the first one on the top, we got a ratchet. We got an impact wrench. That's the older impact wrench. That's not at the fuel. But still, that ratchet's pretty nice. The impact wrench is decent, $199. You got the brushless at the bottom. Impact driver, drill driver. It looks like you get two amp hour batteries, $199. It's a pretty decent kit. You got the $99 impact driver or drill driver with 1 battery, a charger, and a bag. Pretty decent. If you guys buy the one at the top, actually, if you guys buy the bottom one, you get an extra charger, an extra bag. So, I don't know. You might want to just buy them separately. So you guys $3.99 and you get 1 free tool. You got the fuel tool combo kit, 2 batteries, 2 5 hard case, and then you got this one. This is the $199 deal. 2 5 amp hour batteries to charge in a bag. You guys could get any of these at the bottom. You get the fuel blower. You could get the sander, you could get the router, the jigsaw, the screw gun, the Bluetooth speaker, the M18 blower, or not blower, the M18 rubber dual power light, or you could get the multi-tool, or you could get the hacksaw, which I did not show. The one-handed reciprocating saw. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the boxes here, the tools themselves. So this is one of the starter kits. This is a $199 starter kit, 2 batteries for $199. This is 2 5s, 2-pack starter kit. So those are the batteries. So pretty much they're solid tools or solid batteries there. You got the jigsaw there for $199. That's one of the tools you guys can select for free. Or you guys can select this the Surge. The Surge was up there. I just did not show it. But yeah, the Surge is one of the nice ones. Here's some of the specs that we have. 4-mode drive control, RPM 0 to 3000. 169. That's a pretty nice Surge. That's the blower. So that's a pretty nice blower. I do have this blower. This thing's a beast. For 18 volts, let me tell you, this thing's it's pretty good. You got the speaker there, 179. You got the sander for 119. Obviously, if you want to get your free tool, you want to shoot for the most expensive tools to get the most out of your bang for your buck. So 169 for that light. That is the rubber AC/DC floodlight. This multi-bolt, or you can connect it to an extension cord, or you can connect it with the battery. So however you want to use the dual power floodlight. Alright, you got the drywall screw gun. So $159 for that drywall screw gun. I personally haven't used this one, so I couldn't tell you guys how that is. If you guys recommend any of these tools, make sure you guys leave it down there at the bottom, the comment section. $129 for the oscillating tool, and then you got the drill driver and impact driver brushless toolkit. This is a pretty nice kit. Like I said, if you want to buy them separately and get yourself an extra bag, an extra charger, because this one, I believe it only comes with 2 batteries. So I don't know if I can see. They're probably just like 2.0 or 1.5. So I'm gonna tell you exactly. Oh, this says 2.0. Yeah, 2.0 amp hour batteries. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I know there's a lot more stuff. I have to put even more Milwaukee stuff, so I'll add that to another video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.